To remain updated with the latest business news, click on the bell icon.
World's largest electric vehicle manufacturer, Tesla, was recently given approval for 7 models. Business Today Television has exclusively learned from sources that the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has given approval for 2 new models, Model 3 and Model Y. In all, a total of 7 variants from these 2 models have so far got approvals, which includes 3 variants of Model 3 and 4 variants of Model Y. Sources say Model 3 Long Range, Model 3 Performance, Model 3 Standard Range Plus, Model Y Standard Range, Model Y RWD, and another Model Y Long Range vehicle with minor changes have been approved. Tesla is still waiting to launch its electric cars in India. The US-based electric vehicle maker is still in talks with the centre to reduce import duties on electric vehicles before entering the market. The Model 3, which is the entry-level EV in the Tesla lineup, is the most likely model to come to India first. Elon Musk in July this year had earlier tweeted about high import duties and also said clean energy vehicles are treated the same as diesel or petrol, which does not seem entirely consistent with the climate goals of India. India currently demands custom duty ranging between 60% to 100% on imported cars. India imposes 100% import duty on fully imported cars with cost, insurance and freight value over $40,000, while 60% duty is imposed on cars that cost less than the amount. Earlier, Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant had said that Tesla's import duty cut is under consideration of the central government.
But as the government tries to open its door for Tesla, the company, however, has not given any timeline for its launch of its vehicles in India. In New Delhi, Chetan Bhutani for Business Today Television.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.